So this is a nice, easy question. You have three graphs here, and they're all normally distributed, because they all have that symmetric bell-shaped curve. Um, you know, some of them are wider than others, some of them are higher than others. These questions here, the given graph displays three normal distributions labeled A, B, and C, which are all located on the same axis. Which normal distribution has the largest standard deviation, and which normal distribution has the smallest standard deviation? So this is basically a question regarding variability. And I hope you guys know that the larger the standard deviation that a set of data has, the more variability. And typically, the further away from the mean the data values lie. And the mean of a normal distribution curve is always the center. So if I were to look at the center of these, like B is here, the center is here. C, the center is a little bit to the right. So I would say the mean of C is a bit larger than the mean of B. And then A is down here if this is all on a number line, right? A real number line. So if I'm looking for standard deviation though, which one is largest and smallest, I'm looking at, regarding how wide. I'm looking for the widest one for the largest standard deviation and like the thinnest one for the smallest standard deviation. And I would say for sure that the largest standard deviation here, C, because you can see that I have values that are very far apart. So I would expect the standard deviation to be a bit larger. Which normal distribution has the smallest standard deviation? It looks like B would have the smallest because it looks like the low part of the curve is closer together. It looks like they're closer to the center of it. It's higher in the middle here. So it looks like less variability in my set of data. So I would say that this one has the smallest standard deviation. So again, if you're looking for the largest or smallest standard deviation when you're looking at a normal distribution curve, the wider the curve, the more variability, the larger the standard deviation.